Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LastPass and remove tax logins first, full guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling LastPass, first ensure you are logged into your LastPass account. Next, open your web browser. If you are using Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools. Then click on Extensions. Locate LastPass in the list of extensions. Click on the Remove button next to LastPass. Confirm the removal by clicking Remove again in the pop-up window. For Firefox users, click the Menu button in the upper right corner. Select Add-ons and Themes. In the Extensions tab, find LastPass. Click on the three dots next to LastPass and select Remove. In Microsoft Edge, click on the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner. Choose Extensions from the menu. Find LastPass in the list and click on Remove. Confirm by clicking Remove again. Now that LastPass is uninstalled, you can proceed to remove any saved tax logins. Open LastPass in your browser if it is still accessible, or go to the LastPass website and log in. Navigate to your vault. In the vault, look for saved passwords related to your tax services. Select each tax login entry that you wish to delete. Click on the Delete option for each entry. Confirm the deletion if prompted. To ensure your information is completely removed, log out of your LastPass account. You may also want to clear your browser cache for extra security. Open your browser settings and navigate to Privacy or History. Select the option to clear your browsing data. Make sure to check the boxes for cached images and files, as well as cookies. Finally, click on the Clear Data button to complete the process. You have successfully uninstalled LastPass and removed any tax logins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.